Jace Tunnell here. We've got sauerkraut washing up on our beaches. Have you heard of that before? Me neither. Well, we've got something cool to talk to you about. We were getting reports of all this algae, or it was seagrass or something like that that was washing up, and nobody kind of knew what it was. So, we came out to the beach to investigate to see what we were finding. And it turns out that this is sauerkraut bryozoan. Some people call it spaghetti bryozoan, but it's actually an animal. And so it's a group of polyps that are living on this that are filter feeders. And so they're eating, microorganisms, similar to what maybe like an oyster might do. An oyster is a filter feeder as well, and it cleans the water. So, these could be considered water clean. Oh my gosh. Okay, water. I guess that's gonna happen when you're at the beach, right? Okay. Okay, try to finish this here. Oh man. Okay, so how this does look very similar to like algae. So there's something called gracilaria, like a red algae that you would find at the beach sometimes that have washed up. But how you can tell the difference is you can see these branches here. If you squeeze it and it goes limp on you, you know that it's the bryozoan. So let's try it. Boom, you see that? It just popped like a cell. Gel-filled cell in there. I'll see if I can do it again. But if this was gracilaria, or if it was some type of algae, it would not, you could press it, but it would still stay stiff. And so that's how you can tell the difference. They can be different colors as well. This one's translucent. They can have a little bit of a reddish look to them. They live in the bay or in the Gulf is where you can find them. And, that's kind of the interesting things. What about what feeds on them? So, snails feed on them. If they're in the water, fish and snails will feed on them. Now, if they're on land, birds might be picking around them, insects eat them. They will dry up fast as any kind of thing that is on the beach that kind of has like a succulent kind of, it dries up pretty quick. So you can imagine that, it might seem like it's bad right now with all this, there's water trying to come up again. But this is a natural process, and eventually, eventually this will dry up, and then the stuff will, end up just being part of the ecosystem. So, something interesting to take note of next time you're at the beach. One of the things that why we came out is because fishermen, they're reeling in their gear, and all they're catching is all this clear spaghetti-like stuff, right? And so that's the bryozoans. And same with people that are surfing out there. They're pulling up their leash and it's just all over it. So just know that it's temporary. This is not changing anything of beachgoers coming to the beach. Probably give it a few weeks and this will all be gone, and we'll have something else washing up. So that's it for this episode of Beachcombing, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.